Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. Welcome to part 2 of how to properly wrap your edges with your paint protection film installations. In this video, I'm going to go over how far you should be wrapping your edges when you are doing your edge wraps on hoods and fenders and that kind of stuff. So we're just going to hop right into it. We're going to get nice and close under the hood of this Chevy Impala. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so when you're doing your paint protection film installation and you're dealing through wrapped edges, now it's gonna come down to what kind of pattern or template you use to do your installation. For the sake of this hood, I didn't have a template, so I just did a bulk install and I just cut off the rest. But I did my best to try and leave myself roughly about, I would say this is a little less than ½ an inch. The reason I left that is because my goal is that I wanna wrap the film so it does not quite come up to here where this pinch weld is. When I cleaned my edges, I did a really good job. I scrubbed them down so that the paint protection film will bite and will grab and that will have a good seal. Now, I've seen people talk about when they're doing their installs, you know, they want to do a 1-inch wrapped edge and they're going to wrap the film over that pinch weld and it's going to come out to like over here. That's excessive and it's overkill and it's not necessary. And it actually is going to look bad over time as dust is going to start to get in there and it's going to be very noticeable whenever the customer opens the hood of their vehicle. So for the sake of cleanliness and a good looking installation, what I like to do is I like to stop just before this pinch weld over here. And then if for some reason the film does go over the pinch weld, I'll just take my knife and I'll trim it off. Now, you don't have to go this far. You can very easily come just around like 1/8 of an inch, 1/16 of an inch, that kind of thing. Just enough that you know that you have got a good solid, bite and that the film is sealed off. The thing with wrapping edges is it really doesn't matter how far you wrap it as long as that edge is actually wrapped. So when you're doing your installs, just keep that in the back of your mind. What is actually needed to have a good quality paint protection film installation, and what's the point in trying to go a whole lot further than that if the edges are never really going to be seen, but you still want them to look good. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 3. Part 3, I'm going to go over the technical aspect of actually wrapping the edges and how I like to do them and how I think it's the best way to possibly wrap edges out there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more.